Hello everyone, welcome to Grinds Online Ireland. I'm Tara and today we're going to be again talking about confidence intervals in inferential statistics. So a recap, we have three confidence intervals. The first one, which is the least accurate, which we only use when we're given a root n. The second one, when it's a proportion or percentage is asked in the question. And the third one then is the most accurate, and we use that when we're given sigma. So let's try and see if we can form a confidence interval using these equations. So our question today, in a survey of 450 people, 180 people say that their favourite tea is Barry's tea. By using z-scores or otherwise, determine a confidence interval for the true proportion of people who like Barry's tea. So if we look at this, guys, we know n, that's going to be 450. And in this case, they're asking for a proportion or a percentage of people. And we know when we're asked to find the proportion or percentage of people, we use the second confidence interval, which is the 1 minus 9.6 square root of p hat, 1 minus p hat, all over n. And that's going to be less than or equal to p, which is less than or equal to p hat, plus 1.96. the square root of p hat, 1 minus p hat, all over n. So in this case, we know n is 450 and p hat is the percentage of people we measured who liked Barry's tea. So in this case, we measured 180 people who liked Barry's tea, but we're looking for the percentage out of the total, so it's going to be 180 divided by 450. So if we put that into our calculators, guys, 180 divided by 450, that's just going to equal to 2 over 5 or 0.4. So we can plug in now everything into this equation. So we're going to get 0.4 minus 1.96 square root of 0.4, 1 minus 0.4 all over 450. And all that is going to be less than or equal to p, less than or equal to the exact same again, but this time with a plus. So the trick, guys, with solving this now using our calculator is to do it step by step. So first do the numerator, 0.4 multiplied by 1 minus 0.4, then divide it in your calculator by the denominator, then square root it, then do the 1.96. If we do it step by step, we're much less likely to make a mistake. So if you do that, guys, you're going to get 0.4 and you're going to get a long number, which we can approximate as 0.0453. And then we'll have less than p is less than 0.4 plus, and the exact same answer here. And if we put both sides on our calculators, then we're going to get 0.3547 is less than or equal to p is less than or equal to 0.4453. So we can say from this then, guys, that we're 95% confident that the proportion of people who like Barry's tea is in between about 35.5% and 44.5%.